Hello there, good morning or good evening. I know it's been a long time I haven't posted anything yet. But right now I'm back with the new videos. In these videos we are gonna solve some real life problems. So for that I'm on QUORA as a PixiPace. We are gonna solve some real problems which were asked by the real users. And this question is asked by Azizul Hakim. The question is, how do I buy a domain and a web hosting and install WordPress in it? And how do I import my website and customize it in any way I want it? So regarding to this question, in one question there are many parts. So one of them is, how do I buy a domain and a web hosting? Well, my friend Hakim, regarding the domain and web hosting, there are so many web hosting providers, but I would love to recommend you Hostinger, as I found Hostinger is the most reliable, affordable platform. By using Hostinger, it will give you a free SSL for every website and 1 year free domain if you are buying a premium package from Hostinger. Even premium package is really cheap. If you are using the link in the description, then you'll get it in $23 per year. In that you'll get emails, 1 year free domain, SSL are free, and a lot of other features. Well, by purchasing a single hosting plan, you can add multiple websites in that, because it allows up to 100 websites per hosting. Once you purchase your web hosting and claim a free domain, then there is a second question for you, that is how to install WordPress. For installing a WordPress, just click on websites in Hostinger, then click on create or migrate a website. After clicking on create and migrate a website, you need to select one of these options, but you can skip these options. Then click on a create new website, click on a select WordPress. Then here you can add your WordPress credentials, WordPress login credentials here, or you can skip that as well. Like I'm skipping it now, but you can fill the detail over there. Then select the domain. After selecting the domain, it will create a Hostinger dashboard for your particular domain, where you can manage your WordPress, manage your website. In the Hostinger dashboard, there you will find auto installer. Click on auto installer. After clicking on auto installer, it will show you multiple CMS. While clicking one of them, you can install that CMS like WordPress, WooCommerce. Though WooCommerce is also part of WordPress, then Joomla, and so many other CMS are there. As we are installing WordPress, click on WordPress, then add the credentials. So after creating these details, simply click on next, then install, and it will install WordPress website on this Hostinger dashboard. Then you simply need to click on admin panel under the edit website. It will move to you WordPress dashboard. This is the WordPress dashboard. So as per your next question, how do I import my website and customize it in any way I want it? So before explaining the answer of this question, let me explain a few things of WordPress, like the way you can add the themes. For adding the themes, simply click on appearance, then themes, then add new themes. These are the installed one. Add new themes. Here you can pick one from them, or if you have a zip file from any other source like theme forest and so on, then you can simply click on upload theme. In upload theme, you can upload that particular file in that section. So for plugins, right side plugins, add new plugin. Here you can add multiple plugins, but as per the question, you need to know how to import a website on your WordPress. So for importing a website, I would definitely recommend you one plugin, that is all-in-one WP migration. It's a really super easy. If you are new to WordPress, then definitely you should go with this WordPress plugin. One more thing, this WordPress plugin will work if you already have an exported file by using this all-in-one WP migration plugin. After installing this plugin, on the left hand side you'll find all-in WP migration, then click on import. After clicking on import, you can import your WordPress website. So later on you need to check the front end. For checking the front end, you have to click on the home or the title of your website, and it will move to you the front end of the website. As you can see it right there, it's really minimal design. So here you can edit it, customize it. For customizing this design, you have to install the one more plugin, that is Elementor. As I'm saying, if you are new to WordPress, then you should go with Elementor. It is really easy, super handy plugin. You can use the free version, and if you want, you can also purchase the premium version of this plugin. Again, after installing, after activating, there are a lot of options which you can use. You can upload the logo, create your account, but I'm skipping all these up. After installing, there you will find on the left hand side there are a lot of menus like headings, editor. So it's a completely website builder. By using this builder, you can edit your website, you can customize your website, add more functionality to your website. So I hope you got your answer. Still, if you have any kind of question, please let me know in a comment section or in the Quora as well. And thank you so much for asking that question. I hope it's clear to you. Please share this video and subscribe PixiPace YouTube channel. Also support me by commenting down in a comment section. So guys, if you have any question, you can also ask me on Quora or on any other platform. So see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.